The CBD molecule has multiple different health benefits, including, but not limited to, pain relief, could help with symptoms when it comes to some mental health diseases, could help with symptoms whenever it comes to cancer-related symptoms, could have neuroprotective properties, and could have benefits for heart health, as well as some other properties, including being able to bind to the vanilloid receptor, otherwise known as the TRPV1 receptor, and also being able to act on the 5-HT1A receptor in order to treat things like temporal lobe epilepsy. This applies to us all in so many different ways, being that every human being on this planet should be worried about their health and should take it into consideration. I'm here to talk about CBD and the multiple different health benefits that it has, as well as the way that it works inside of your brain. The first thing that I'm going to talk about is CBD, the CBD molecule, being able to relieve pain. There's been multiple different studies that, such as PubMed studies, cfah.org, and as well as healthline.com that I'll be referencing and that I'll post links to below the video. The link will be in the description. The CBD molecule has potential benefits of providing pain relief through the endocannabinoid system that is involved in things like in the body, such as pain sensation. The body then produces neurotransmitters called endocannabinoids that bind to the cannabinoid receptors. Preclinical evidence has also suggested that it may be effective in treating against rheumatic diseases such as fibromyalgia, per research from a 2021 PubMed study linked below. The CBD molecule could also help in reducing some symptoms of mental health disorders, including depression, anxiety, and even psychosis from a PubMed study that will be linked below, as well as a small 2019 PubMed study that found that CBD may be effective in reducing PTSD-related symptoms, including nightmares in adults, that I will link below as well. The CBD molecule could also be used in helping reduce some cancer-related symptoms, such as nausea, vomiting, and pain, according to a PubMed study, a research published in 2022, listed down below. The CBD molecule may have neuroprotective properties as well and may provide benefit for those with the neurological disorder, including another PubMed study with limited evidence that shows and suggests that CBD may help with things such as Parkinson's, Huntington's, autism spectrum disorder, also known as ADS, and motor disorders such as cerebral palsy. The CBD molecule may also benefit the heart, while high blood pressure is linked to higher risks of health conditions such as stroke and heart attack. Research shows that CBD can be beneficial for people with high blood pressure since it can influence the contractions of the heart muscles and widen blood vessels, according to a PubMed study linked below. Now that we've covered the many potential health benefits that CBD has to offer, let's move to the CBD compound being able to attach to the vanilloid receptors, aka the TRPV1 receptors, in order to achieve certain therapeutic effects. The CBD molecule is able to attach to the vanilloid receptors, otherwise known as the TRPV1 receptors, in order to achieve certain therapeutic effects due to it being an ion channel. The TRPV1 receptors is an ion channel that helps your body do things such as regulate body temperature, control inflammation, and change perception of pain, according to cfah.org, with the link down below. Now that we've covered the CBD molecule being able to attach to the vanilloid receptors, otherwise known as the TRPV1 receptors, in order to achieve certain therapeutic effects, and all about the TRPV1 receptors being an ion channel that controls things in the body, such as regulates temperature, controls inflammation, and changes perception of pain. Finally, we'll talk lastly about the CBD molecule being able to act on the 5-HT1A receptors in the human brain in order to be useful to treat things such as temporal lobe epilepsy. The CBD molecule attaches to the 5-HT1A receptors in the human brain, making it relevant in treating temporal lobe epilepsy that will be linked down below. All in all, I hope that in the end that you've learned something today about the CBD molecule. that can be useful in your day-to-day, everyday lives when it comes to your health, about the certain ways that the CBD molecule can help you and benefit your health in the many different various ways that I've mentioned in the video. And I hope you understand more now about the CBD molecule and how it works in the brain, including the useful ways people use it and doctors use it to take advantage in helping other ailments and diseases, such as through the vanilloid receptors, also known as the TRPV1 receptors, and as well as the 5-HT1A receptors for things such as treating temporal lobe epilepsy. Thank you all so very much for taking the time to click on this video and listening. And I hope that I've taught you all something through watching this video that could potentially help you in all your everyday lives. Thank you.